Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I share about how to care for your child's natural hair. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be taking you through our full wash day routine. We are going to be washing, deep conditioning and styling the hair into a simple protective hairstyle by the end of this video. So I love to tilt our hair backward to prevent water from running into our face. So we are going to start with the shampoo. So I try as much as possible to make sure I wash our scalp thoroughly. Now that the hair and the scalp is all clean and nice, the next step is to deep condition. You can deep condition your child's hair once a month or every 6 weeks. There is rinse out conditioner and deep conditioner. Rinse out conditioner is the one you use weekly after washing your child's hair. After shampooing, you apply your rinse out conditioner and you let it sit for a while before washing it out. While deep conditioner is the one you use once in a month or in 6 weeks. I have a video on my channel where I use a rinse out conditioner. You can check it out. Once this is done, you let it sit for 10 to 30 minutes. It depends on your child. Sometimes we don't wait till 10 minutes because she just wants me to wash the hair and get done with it. now that we are done with a proper hair wash, the next thing is to dry the hair very well. So we are going to apply our leave-in conditioner to make the hair soft and keep it moisturized for the day. It also helps to make the styling so much easier. Leave-in conditioner is a must-have. Then we seal in moisture with our growth oil. I'm going to be massaging it into the hair. I allowed the hair sit for a while and later styled it into a protective hairstyle. If you're a mom struggling with your child's wash day, I hope this video makes your routine a bit easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. You can also follow us on Instagram at smilespace3. I share kids hairstyle idea. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.